Look what I got in the mail today. I got a lightning to USB. What is it? Okay, so I'm just gonna plug it into the iPad. Here, let me show you guys. Lightning, USB. First, let me start by plugging this in. Let's plug in something simple. I'm just gonna plug in this. So it detected it right away. The mouse is nice. Let's see if keyboard works. Yeah, keyboard works. So that's this. Now let's see. Let's do flash drive. A regular flash drive. It's taking a while. Oh, up here. Wow, that took a while. I was gonna think if it doesn't work, then I'm gonna add more power, because sometimes my bigger USBs take more power. So since all my files are there, and for this one, I formatted it in a different file format. The only file formats that you can do are FLAT32 and flat XN or something. It'll be on the side. So let's see if it reads it. Okay, so I see the light, and now it's gone. It's gonna read it. No, okay. Let's try a regular keyboard, and then I'm gonna attach this. Okay, let's see if it works. Oh wow, that's like, it's laggy on the iPad, but keyboard's fast. Well, that's this. Let's put in this name. So it's like a USB hub, I think it is, but all I have to do is attach this to a USB on there, and then it'll give me all these ports. So let's do that. And like I was saying, heavy things would take power, and then it needs to take its own power, and then it needs USB. Okay, so this one appeared right away. It's gonna pick it up as a storage device, mostly because it has the drivers in a file, so you can download it from there. So let's try USB. Yeah, I'll do it on this side so you guys can see. USB. It reads it as another device. Okay. Since this sticks out, I'm just gonna plug it in on my side. Okay, so it's reading it. And it popped up. Okay. And then the USB. Okay. Let's see. This works now. Yeah, this still works. I guess might as well plug in those. That was funny. So when I plugged it in, it deleted all the other devices, and then they reappeared. And only 2 of them. That's funny. That's really funny. Okay, okay, I guess that was everything. Let me do that. Oh, yeah, that. So, plug the keyboard on my side. Actually, no, I'll do it on your side because I'm plugging the next thing on my side. Okay. Okay, let's see. Keyboard works. Oh, that's even more slower. Okay, so keyboard works. Okay, so I think since this has its own power, it can handle. I'm just gonna plug in something else. This is a 1 terabyte solid state drive from Seagate, and this little hub thing. Let me just take out how it works. So USB cable, this cable. Okay. Plug this in. I don't know if this is in a different format. That's because I've never used this. You're on a computer, it doesn't even matter what format you are. So, all I'm gonna do is plug in all the cables. Okay. It's off right now. Let's plug it into a USB port. Nope. Okay. So I'm just gonna turn on this. Okay, so there's a green light on the back. Let's see if it's gonna read it. Oh, wow. So we're just waiting for you to appear. Yeah, I don't think it wants to appear. Okay, I'm gonna forget the hub. I'm just gonna plug this in. Like that. Nope. Okay. I mean, it showed me red for a second and then green. But I think you are in a different format. Just like your bed. Okay, now we're gonna try to use, okay, we get it, you can't connect. I'm gonna try connecting just Ethernet and HDMI now, to show you guys that. I need that, okay. I'll see you guys at the next stop. Okay, since now that we're at my TV, okay. So, I'm gonna just plug in the HDMI, and since I'm holding my camera, I guess I could. Okay, so here's the HDMI cable. HDMI port. I don't know if you guys can see this. There's that. So in theory, it should be on the TV now. Let me just turn it on. Okay. Okay. I think it's HDMI 4. Okay, so I'm just gonna reconnect it because the TV will just automatically jump. You guys won't see that. I don't think HDMI works. Let's try 2. Whoa. My brother really scratched up this TV. Okay. I think HDMI is too heavy, but I guess now that's all left is to plug in Ethernet. Okay, let me just plug that in. So I got my Ethernet cord. Just gonna plug this in to right here. Okay, so it does read it. That's good. So I don't know. There's no Ethernet mode on here. Do I just turn off Wi-Fi? I don't know. Maybe if I open YouTube, if it's gonna open. That's how you use an Ethernet. Let's see. Let's watch the latest video. Okay. No, that works surprisingly really well. Come on, you guys gotta boost that number. You guys gotta subscribe, leave a like on the video, and share it with friends. Okay, well, I guess that's it for the video. See you guys next time.